Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about Python automation real life task. So have you ever wished your computer could do repetitive tasks for you? That's exactly what Python automation is all about. With just few lines of code, you can save time, reduce manual work and make your daily task much easier. In this video, we'll show you 6 unique and practical Python automation scripts for beginners but useful enough to use in real life. So let's start this. So the first one is generate QR codes automatically. So for that, firstly we'll import the library QR code, then we'll create the image of the code, and here we'll provide the link of the code we need to find. Now we'll save the image. So here we have saved the image. Now we'll print the message for the success. And now we'll see the output of this. And here we can see the saved QR image as well. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is convert text to speech. So for this we'll import the library which is pythonclcoding. Now here we'll initialize the text what we want our engine to say. Now at last we'll close this. So this script converts written text into spoken audio. It is useful for voice assistant, accessibility tools, reminder, or simply listening to your notes instead of reading them. So let's run and see the output.
Welcome to Python automation. Welcome to Python automation.
So here you can see the output of this. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is open a website automatically. So for this we'll import the library web browser, and now we'll enter the link here which we need to open. And here we can see the output of this, that it directs us to a new page of Google. So this script launches your default web browser and open a specified website automatically. It can be used to quickly access dashboard, work tools, or frequently visited website. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is calculate file size. For this we'll import the library OS, and now we'll enter the file we need to find the size of. So here this script shows the size of a file in bytes. It can be used to monitor storage usage or identify large files. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is list all files in a folder. So for this, firstly we'll import the library, and now using the for loop we'll list all the files in a folder. Now we'll print the result. So this script displays all files and folders in the current directory. It is useful for managing files or preparing them for further automation. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this, that it displays all the files in the folder. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is generate a random password. So for this we'll import random module and also we'll import string, and now we'll create a random password. So here this script creates a random 10-digit character password using letters and number. It's a quick way to generate random passwords which are strong for online accounts. And now we'll print the password. Now let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of the code. And how many times you will run, this will give you a new combination of random password. So these 6 Python automation scripts show that even small programs can solve real-world problems, from generating QR codes and taking screenshots to checking your internet connection and creating source password. Python makes everyday tasks faster and smarter. The best part of that, each of these scripts can be expanded into a full project as your skills grow. So try them out, experiment with new ideas, and keep exploring the power of Python automation. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching.